my sisters and I, we've been trying to go up. So I went up for 6 days. My sister's been up there for 11. So time's gotten away from me.
Where does she live?
Gladwin. Michigan.
Yeah, it's definitely getting there. What did you guys do?
We just stayed, you know, my daughter, we invited them over to eat.
If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe and click the bell to turn on your notifications to know when I upload my weekly video and be notified if your comment got the most likes and will be featured in an upcoming video.
My daughter's learning how to roller skate.
Oh, fun!
She's gonna be 30. She goes, it's on my bucket list, Mom. I want to learn how to roller skate. Roller skate, Mom.
How fun!
I tried with them when they were little, or roller blades more so, but she wants to roller skate.
Nice.
Did not touch those. And that part there, that's the cuticle, right?
Mm-hmm.
Should I cut that?
Yep.
Or okay. Because now, like before, I just couldn't bend over. I mean, that's
right.
But now I can do that.
And you're not having a hard time getting stuff cleared out from underneath here.
No, I've been using that.
So
too.
that's good, good, good. So if
did
there was a bunch of stuff underneath, I would cut it all the way back to here, but you're doing a really good job, so I won't make your toenail look naked. So.
And I haven't put no nail polish on. I'm trying to get this cleared up.
Yep.
Now, if I have an event to go to, can I do it for one day?
Sure.
And then take it right back off and put my stuff on it.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Usually, does it take like a year?
For big toenails to replace themselves, it takes about a year.
And that's about what it did when I had them removed and they had to grow back.
Mm-hmm.
It literally took like a year to get my toenail back.
Yep. Yeah. Starting to sweat.
Whether they're painted or not, I mean, it always feels better. We got invited to both, you know. So that's cute. And then my nephew in June, and that's it. I don't have any other neighbors graduate, nor any of my children's friends, or nothing.
Yeah, I think people are still probably a little bit worried about having parties too.
Like there used to be. I mean, the price is going up too.
There's a lot of building going on too.
Yes. I'm trying to think of the name of this place that we went to eat after we left here. It was in Ann Arbor, and it was a church, and it was a restaurant.
It was in Ann Arbor?
Yeah.
It wasn't Salt?
Yeah, wait.
That's right down the street here. That's in Saline though.
Maybe it wasn't Silly. said salt?
Mm-hmm.
I think that's what it was. It's in a church.
Yeah.
We had a salad. We had a burger and a salad there.
Did you like it?
Yeah. And that cuticle remover doesn't hurt your skin or anything. It just gets rid of by your nail. But yeah, red bread just is really good on me. Now my one daughter, she wears makeup. My other daughter doesn't. Eyeliner, that's all she wears. But my other daughter, she'll wear red lipstick and red nails, and when she has her nails done, they just look beautiful. She looks really good in it. So the shredded beef burrito is good.
Mm-hmm. It's delicioso.
What else do they have?
Bruce always gets Cameron's Yucatan. It's like spicy shrimp dish.
For both days when my daughters came over, we had chicken one day and we had steak the next, because one likes chicken and the other one likes steak. So.
You're being fair.
Yeah. I didn't eat that rest up tonight, but it would be nice.
See this little line right here? That's
Yeah.
where it's attaching. If next time it's grown up to here, you can definitely get your polish. As long as it's showing progress of reattaching and nothing is encroaching backwards into your nail
Yeah, I'd
plate.
rather be safe than sorry, yeah.
Yep.
I noticed under here it's a little bit red. I noticed yesterday there, but it doesn't hurt or anything. I don't know if it's any just discoloration.
I just think you have a lot of capillaries. You can see them under the skin.
Okay.
Blood flow, which is a good thing.
Yeah, if I can't get it done next time, then next time for sure, probably after that.
Mhm.
So.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success, and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.